evening, all of you. My name is Lokesh, and I am the final student of my college. And I'm pursuing my graduation from MDO University for BCom Computer Application. And now currently, I'm searching some kind of internship for my job role. And I am prepared for my exam because in this time the exam will become like a university exam also come.
What's your job role?
Like right now I'm not doing any kind of job, but uh, in future I do as a data analyst, and like in 2025 I got a definitely a job for as a data analyst, and after that year by year I changed my role. Like after that as a data analyst, then I go to the data engineer, then data scientist, and the last is like DBA, that's a database administration. So like that's my roadmap to like get the my.
Could you please describe the data analytics role?
Yes, data analyst role, that's the main role in the company. Like if you get some kind of like raw data in your Excel sheets and you don't find like any kind of mistakes in names, and in fact in raw data that you got some insights like some trends, some pie charts, like you got this product in company like have made some t-shirts, and there is a variety of t-shirts like cotton t-shirt, jute t-shirt. There is many of like kinds of t-shirts. You have to like check out like what kind of t-shirt that in this year like have in trends. So you get some data from the insights. You get easily, like you don't find like manually in the Excel sheets. You find like some data in your trend, like in a pie chart, and some like or there is many kinds of charts.
Are you taking any coaching for these for data analytics?
No, I'm not taking any kind of coaching, but I just prepare for myself, and with the help of like YouTube. There is lots of source in the YouTube. Like if you have any like get a data analyst, so you get to as a the Alex data analyst. That's the channel in the YouTube. So he is very willing to teach about the data and in Excel about it.
I have another question. Like there are many tools in analytics, right? So for which tool are you preparing for?
Right now I'm preparing for like some SQL because it's the most important. Like if you don't get like some for database knowledge, so you don't get like a data analyst job, and Excel is a basic thing. It's not a for tools. It's a basic in computer. If you get started for computers, like you just start for Excels, for MS PowerPoint, that kind of thing that you start. So Excel is not a tool, but yes, SQL is important for data analyst, and for like visualization tool, I said like Power BI is good for data visualization, Microsoft Power BI, and another one, Tableau is like same, but I just prepare for the Microsoft Power BI is good.
What
and it's handled with the any kind of like SQL. You should handle for SQL and Excel, and that's it.
What is the difference between SQL and MySQL?
There is not a major difference. It's a part of the both are like a relational database database. I think I don't know about much for like this kind of thing, but I just prepare for like basic SQL queries. So
what is the difference between Power BI and Tableau?
Oh.
both are for use for visualization. Both are tool for visualization. But you should the Power BI is for a Microsoft company and Tableau is for another company. So there is no major difference in Power BI.
Could you spell?
What interests you about this role? What interests you about this role?
I don't know, like this. I don't know an answer.
Okay, explain please between data engineer, data analyst, or data scientist.
Like if you get a if you get to as a for chance for data analyst position, so you should that's a kind of roadmap. Like first you should, if you don't get a as a data analyst position in your company, so you should start for a business analyst. Then if you completed 1 year, I think to 2 years for as a business analyst, so you get some experience about for business in insights and some tools. And after that you get if you get a chance for another company as a data analyst position, so you get the opportunity for that position. And if I'm talking you talking about the data engineer, so it's a very major role in the companies. Data engineers is kind of for depending on the company, they have very they have lots of roles in the
We
engineers.
basically handle the data. Data engineer role are very specific.
No, it's overload. If you compare to the data analyst, so data analyst only working as a background, but data engineer also for handling the upfront clients, handle the upfront clients of the company. And if you go to the DBA, database administration, it's totally a backend position in the company. You have access of all of the tools, you have any you have entered in any application, so you got a username and password, and these two things have a DBA, database administration, or have your username and login ID.
I have got last question for you. As you mentioned, I'm not learning from any institute, from any institution. I'm self-learning from YouTube. So how are you going to justify yourself in the company that I have learned from YouTube and just hire me?
No, sir,
What
actually,
about authentication?
I do some certifications, but there is not.
Like, is there any company who is providing such kind of certificate like Google or any other company where you can take an exam and you will be
Yes,
verified?
I gave an exam for a company a company like UV. It's free courses for Pythons and something.
So is it authorized or accepted by many of the companies?
Yes, in UV there is a partner for Google.
Well,